Welcome back to the channel. If you're wondering whether a product is worth selling on Amazon, Helium 10's Xray tool can give you that answer in seconds. Today, let's take resistance bands as our example. First, search for the product on Amazon, then click on the Helium 10 Chrome extension and launch Xray. Within seconds, you'll see key data like estimated monthly revenue, sales volume, price, reviews, and FBA fees all in one place. Use filters to spot products with strong demand and low competition. Look for listings that are making great sales with fewer reviews. That's where opportunity lies. If you want to validate your next product with real data, start using Helium 10's Xray the right way. You'll find a special discount link in the description and a QR code right on screen to get started.